Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Got an exciting one today. If you watched yesterday's video, you will know I've got a stamp release. It is a bit of an impromptu release, but it isn't. I think because the baby came and everything sort of like got turned, not turned upside down, but like in a happy way. So yeah, life got very, very busy. Even though we've had 9 months, so we knew he was coming. It's still, you know, so yeah, it is a bit impromptu, but it's not impromptu. So I actually designed all my stamps back in January for the whole year. So then I could just sit back and craft and, you know, do some digital kits and things like that. And I didn't have to worry about my stamps. So yeah, they are all designed. So I have got a restock today. So I am restocking the labels CBT0021. This is labels 2. This will go with today's release. Like, yes, if you haven't got it, grab it because perfect. And then I've also got Textures 2, CBT0035. My first textures kit, my texture set. Everybody loves it. I love it. I am so grateful that you all love it as much as I do because it's just amazing. Absolutely amazing. And this is number 2. This did sell out last time I released it, so I thought I'd bring it back. As you know, I like to bring back a few restocks when I do a new release. And yeah, so these 2 are the 2 that are being restocked. So if you haven't got them, grab them. Right, now, so this release is it's my biggest ephemera based release as of yet. It is literally just all about ephemera. I mean, it's not. Well, yeah, it is. It's all about making your own ephemera. You can make your own tickets. You can make your own labels. You can make your own tags. You can make your own tabs. You can literally do whatever you like. So first off, what do we have? We have CBT0042 Insecta labels. Now, this, I love this one. So you've got all the empty labels down here. And you can create your own. You've also got another label there and up here. And then you've got all these wording that is all botanical, entomology, you know, just insects and bugs and butterflies and moths and all sorts. So all these labels are all made to fit in these. So you've got ones like leg, because, you know, leg span, collect, department, specimen number, field observation, field notes, recorded, verified, catalogue, Insecta, a little number there, Insecta, specimen, specimen A, Genesis, specimens, species, indent, and just, I can't read these. You're not supposed to read them, by the way, so please don't sit there being like, I can't read what that says. Because the labels on the insects are so tiny, aren't they? But there is lots. There's numbers and there's all sorts on here. So that's our first ephemera-based set. And let me get my tab because I have been stamping. Look at all these labels. There is tons, absolute tons that you can make. And not only that, but you know, in my first release, I had these and there's a little grid to go in there. These will also fit in there because you know, I love to make stamp sets that fit. So let me just work them out in order. Right, so the next one is CBT0044, and this is notes. I mean, there's grids here. So all these also will fit in these. There is so much on this stamp set. We've got another texture stamp. We've got a butterfly. We've got a little piece of ephemera down here. We've got other pieces of ephemera all round. Field notes, general admission, a number, batch 07, filed, specimen order ready to dispose, collected field notes. This card is property of Entomology, consignment, figure number 18, figure 4A. There's a little reinforcer there, more empty labels. There's just so much. There's just so much. I just absolutely love it. I really do. I haven't yet had a proper play. I've only stamped labels so that I could make some samples. And then we have this one, which is our, look at that, CBT0045 butterfly. And it's a background stamp. I just absolutely adore this one. I mean, with this one, you could stamp it and then you could stamp it again, cut the butterfly out, paint it with your distress inks, and then stick it on top so it's like 3D. Oh, I just love it. Absolutely. Stamped on coffee dyed paper. I love. And then we have CBT0046, and this is archive copy. Now, this one goes heavily with my digital kits. You should recognise some of these labels on here, that some of them are in my digital kits, because I understand that there's you know, a few of you that can't buy my stamps because the tariffs and the charges and everything, and I know, as soon as we go back to normal, yes. So I do like to put some of my stamps into my digital kits as well. So because these were designed back in January, obviously the digital kits have come out after. So yeah, that's why you've seen them in my digital kits before you see them in the stamp set. But there is so many pieces of ephemera on here. Just lovely. Look, specimen, field notes collected, a file ref, recorded ephemera. There's even a blank one so that you can stamp all your own stamps into it as well. There's bits up here, so they will fit in there. There's also number 12, box 7, number 12. Both different. They fit in these too. Everything will fit together. I pride myself on the fact that all my stamps work together, even the seasonal. There's stamps in there that you can use any time of the year, and that they will all fit in all sorts of labels and stamps. That's why, where are you? That's why I said grab this one if you haven't got it already, because all these will also, if you think, like, because they're such hugely ephemera based, all these will go in these labels, and these, and also the grungy labels too, the grungy label stamp set as well. Perfect. And then last but not least, we have CBT0047, and this is called Fig, just as a figure. And it, look at all those. Look at the butterflies. And we've also got lots of ephemera. We've got butterfly names on here. We've got figure 5, 2, 1, 9, number 6, number 9, number 7, figure 3, number 8, figure 4. Plus we've got the plate. These are also in my digital kits. This is in my digital kit. This is in my digital kit, and so is this. They're just made a lot smaller. So are these as well. So yeah, this is... I just love it. Absolutely love it. So they're the stamps. Now, let's get on to the makes, because I have been playing. Stand up there, don't fall down. So, of course, you know, we did tea yesterday and I didn't do tabs. So I thought I need to do some tabs. So here we have one of the long page tabs, and there's one of my stamps. That's one of my stamps. That's one of my digitals. So is the butterfly. That's one of my stamps. And so is the field notes October 32 as well. And I just love it. I just absolutely love it. Then we have one of my label tabs as well. That's one of my stamp sets. This is one, this is one, this is one. This is one of the butterflies from my kit, from my stamps as well. And just love it. This is one of my digitals. Then we have another cluster using my label tabs, and one of my digitals, a charm. This is one of the butterflies from the Fig set. Number 12, and a couple of labels. Then we have another large page tab. Just look at that. I mean, it's just going to look awesome. I mean, if we take this tag that this is one of my stamps as well. And if we just put it on there, or do you know what I like doing with these large tabs is turn a tag upside down and putting them on the end. I mean, how cool does that look? Absolutely love it. And then I've got one of my paperclip charms, and you can hang beads off the end of this, or you can put a bit of ribbon through it and have it as a belly band and just sort of like stick it around the page. I absolutely adore that. We have a real simple fabric cluster tab with just a couple of my labels on. Then we have another simple little tab with just some of the stamps in the background too. And this is a digital from one of my digital kits. That's one of my stamps. What's one of my stamps? And this is a butterfly from, I want to say Art House Whimsy. And then we have this. And this is basically a page insert to put in a journal. So if you did watch my video yesterday, you'll know that I am going to do I'm going to do some journal. I'm going to complete some journals, make some journals. May is going to be about making journal May. That's what it's going to be about. It's going to be about journals, because I have got a lot of ephemera, so let's use it up in the journals. So I'm going to complete the ones that I've started and potentially make some more, but I made this, and I've got one of my page ruffles down the side. This is one of Art House Whimsy's new butterflies from her new digital kit. It is beautiful. I love it. I love it so much. Then I had some, this is my ledger stamp, just stamped on some tissue paper and glued on. That's one of my stamps. That's one of my stamps. These two little pieces of ephemera in the background are by TaylorMade Journals. That's one of my stamps. Some vintage tape, this paper I got from the range, and I just literally sprayed it with rust water and coffee. Here's another one of my stamps. I've got some of the produce bag down the bottom. Another my ledger stamp. Another stamp here. And then you open it up, and we've got a big pocket down the side here. We've got two tags. This is the background stamp. Now, I know you're going to think that's not stamped properly. I did that on purpose because I wanted it to look worn. So yeah, I did do that on purpose. Plus, let me tell you, don't ever buy VersaFine Claire from Amazon. I'm sorry, Amazon, you're my go-to, I know, but they're always dry. They just dry out. I'm going to have to get a re-inker, because I've now got 3 that I brought off Amazon, and they are dry as. So yeah, that's why the ink isn't very dark on these labels, because the ink is just awful. So I stuck one of my label tabs on the back here, stuck another one of my little tickets on there, labels on there. Then this is a stamped image as well, with a couple of tickets and some cheesecloth in the back there. And they are my little makes. Can you see, do you see what I mean about this? This set is very, very ephemera based. I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. So they are available on my Etsy store. My Etsy store is linked in the description box down below. 7:30. They will be, well, they're available now because I'm putting this video up at 7:30. So they're available now on my Etsy. Run, don't walk. This is my, I don't want to say it's my favouriteest release yet, because I love all my stamps. Can I say that? Yes, I can. But I absolutely love this release. I hope you love this release as much as I do. If you do use my stamps, please tag me in socials. I love to see all your work. And yeah, on my Etsy, links in the description box. Happy crafting, everybody, and take care. Bye.